India's first Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat, his wife and 11 others lost their lives after their Indian Air Force helicopter crashed in the hilly terrains of Tamil Nadu, a state in southern India. The Indian Parliament paid homage to General Rawat earlier today. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh also briefed both houses of Parliament and said that a tri-service inquiry has now been ordered to investigate the crash. It will be headed by Air Marshal Manvendra Singh. The Defence Minister will also brief the President on the crash later today.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, एयर चीफ मार्शल श्री वी.आर. चौधरी को घटनास्थल पर दुर्घटना की सूचना प्राप्त होने पर कल ही भेज दिया गया है। उन्होंने घटनास्थल एवं वेलिंगटन हॉस्पिटल जाकर स्थिति का जायजा लिया। इस दुर्घटना के संबंध में इंडियन एयरफोर्स द्वारा एयर मार्शल मानवेंद्र सिंह की अध्यक्षता में एक ट्राई सर्विस इंक्वायरी के भी आदेश दे दिए गए हैं। इंक्वायरी टीम के ऑफिसर्स ने कल ही वेलिंगटन पहुंचकर अपना कार्य भी प्रारंभ कर दिया है। चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ का अंतिम संस्कार फुल मिलिट्री ऑनर्स के साथ किया जाएगा और अन्य सभी मिलिट्री पर्सनल का अंतिम संस्कार भी एप्रोप्रिएट मिलिट्री ऑनर के साथ किया जाएगा।
Sources also say that the flight data recorder and the cockpit voice recorder of the Mi-17 V5 chopper have been recovered. The Mi-17 V5 is the mainstay of the Indian Air Force medium-lift helicopter fleet. They are a fairly new addition to the Indian Air Force with less than 10 years of service and are considered among the most advanced choppers within the Indian Air Force. Meanwhile, the mortal remains of General Rawat and his wife are expected to arrive in the national capital. The last rites will be performed on Friday in Delhi cantonment. Their bodies will be kept in their home from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. for people to pay their last respects before being taken to a crematorium. Earlier today, the mortal remains of all the deceased were brought to the Madras Regimental Centre from the Wellington Military Hospital. A wreath-laying ceremony was then held and the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, M.K. Stalin, also paid his respects. The sole survivor of the crash is Group Captain Varun Singh, who is currently being treated for severe burns at the military hospital in Wellington. And according to the latest update, Group Captain Singh is currently on life support. We earlier spoke to our principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sibal about the same. Listen into his inputs.
Shock and grief. The country is yet to come to terms with the tragic death of CDS Bipin Rawat, his wife and 11 army officials who were also on board the chopper that crashed in the southern Indian state of Tamil Nadu. The Indian Defence Minister today made a statement in the Indian Parliament, and the Indian Parliament also paid homage to the CDS, the departed CDS General Bipin Rawat. The Indian Defence Minister talked about how there has been a tri-service inquiry which has been ordered and General Bipin Rawat will be cremated with full military honours. The mortal remains of all the 13 personnels will reach here in Delhi later today in the evening, and tomorrow cremation will take place. His body will be kept at his residence at Kamraj Road. We also know that condolences have been pouring in not only from the country but also from outside the country. Almost more than 25 countries have now reacted, including most of India's neighbours, including the President of Maldives, the President of Sri Lanka, the Prime Minister of Nepal and the Prime Minister of Bhutan. But nonetheless, it is a tragic day, and we know that in next few days there can be some kind of announcement when it comes to the inquiry that has been announced by the Indian Defence Minister. With video journalist Ajit, Siddhant Sibal for WION in New Delhi.
WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.